guys, good afternoon. So nandito kami ngayon sa isang pamilihan ng mga pork bellies. Ayan, namimili po yung asawa ko. Okay.
You ready?
Ay, wait! We need beef! I need beef. It's cheaper here, something that has a little fat on it. They are not huge, as you can see. This chick fat.
The two of us.
Yeah, I can.
I'll buy the.
I can put in the. I can put in the freezer.
Oh my goodness! Have a cow.
Why not? Check. They're not huge.
It's like $100.
What? Ikot pa ako isang beses. So, ayan guys. I am looking for kuripot talaga yan. Sabi ko bumili siya ng malaki. Also, they have vegetables here. Ayan oh. Oh, dito I need lemon. I need lemon. So 8 broccoli for bite size. Mahal siya. Mas mahal din eh. So they have onions here, 139. 139 lang yung loyalty regular. Andito pa yung mga noodles na ganyan, oh. Oh, pad thai noodles. Parang, oh, ang dami. So, dito pala ako makakabili niyan. Big cut noodles, 16. Mura lang. Ano, mag-antay yung asawa ko dun. So, I am looking for a, also they have fruits here. This is $3.89. Kunin ko na to. I have to go to work. I have to go to work, guys. So 2 minutes pa lang yung nakukonsume ko. Ayan. I need more than 3 minutes. 15. She's waiting for me. Slowly. Don't walk so fast. Look at that. The very supportive husband. White leg. So white. Ayan, pasensya na yung sasakyan namin. Hindi yata umaangat yung ano niya sa likod. Ito is ibari. Oh, yan na. So how much is that? The other?
That was like 15. This is like 110.
Okay. So, yan na road. Tapos na tayo mamalitin. Uwi na pala ang asawa ko. Ay, atid na pala ako sa work muna. As you can see, naka-uniform ako. Diretso na ako sa work. Ayan, early tayo ngayon. I'm so early. So, all you need to buy is beef. Beef, yeah. Find a sale one. Don't buy the stick kind. Buy the other kind. Roast, yeah. I can slice it and put some you buy the roast.